2024 Subaru Crosstrek. You have one light here. It's a very weak light. So this is the actual one from Subaru. I think we're good. So we're looking at the rear cargo area of the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. You have one light here, just that. And despite this vehicle having the LED upgrade, that's not an LED. It's a very weak light. So one of the features that I could have gotten on this 2024 Subaru Crosstrek was the rear LED gate light. But I didn't, because it's a $65 option. What I did do is I went to Amazon and I was able to find the actual OEM rear gate light for 40 bucks right here. And this is the actual one from Subaru that they would have installed from the factory had I elected to get that rear LED gate light option. My understanding is it's relatively easy to install, and we're gonna see if we can get that done here before sunset. So wish me luck. Here we go. So it goes in here, and what you want to do is take this panel piece out. As we see here, it popped out pretty quick, panel piece. And now we see the interior of the door. We can see the lock. And up here, we see there are some wires. And the wire we are looking for is this one right here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can pull it down. It is as we see here, it's got three prongs in there. And as you can see here, this light also has 3 prongs. So I'm gonna see if I can loosen that up a bit. Hold on. Oh, there we go. So as you can see there, it was kind of intertwined there, but now I pulled it out a little bit and it's right here. So really it's just gonna be a matter of me now plugging it in. It's only gonna go in one way and seeing if this thing works. And there we go. We now have an LED light for the rear tailgate here on the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. Get rid of that. As for how powerful it is, not very. And my understanding is it does integrate directly into the vehicle circuitry, so it should close once I close this, or turn off. Let's see if it does. I think we're good. All right, so that was pretty much it. Super quick video of installing the LED gate light here on the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. With that, sun's still up, so I beat it. Catch you all on the flip.